Bring me 3 orange. Ayan, bring me 2 banana. Go, kuya. 2 bananas. Good job. O, iwan mo yung uniform, baby boy. Bring me 1 watermelon. Go, bring me 4 grapes. Go, kuya. Go, ate. Ay, balik sa ka-team.